Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow business listing backlink. So the website name is businessesgz.com, and I can provide this website URL in the description section so where you guys will access easily. And before this started we can do some research. So according to Acharya the domain rating is 54, and according to Moj the domain authority is 12 and the spam score is 28%, so it is quite high. So while creating your business listing in this website, you can try to avoid your website URL, and instead of you can use your social media. Either you can use your secondary uh, URL where you guys have mentioned your all URLs, like in Linktree, where you mostly the businesses have it, the Linktree profile where you can add your all website URL. So you can use, instead of you can use these URLs. Okay. And if I can talk about the website traffic, so you will see this website having a 189 monthly visits. I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button, and you guys will create your profile here. So you can add your first name, last name, then you can use your password, Gmail, use your password, and you will see you can select your time zone. Then after, you can select any of option, click on the terms and condition acknowledgement, click on the register button. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. And you will see your account is created, and there is an option you can add listing. You can click on this, click on the close. Okay, click on the select a free plan, and scroll something, and you will see this is your listing dashboard. So there you can select your category. So our category is recruitment, and you can select your category. After that, there you can add your title. So in the title, you can try to use your home page a meta title, either your main targeted keyword. So suppose that this is my meta title for my home page. So there I have added my brand name, my targeted keyword, and my hook message. So we are providing a globally hiring services. So let me use this AI powered AI video interview software. So let me use this. AI video interview software. Yeah, and there you can add your short description. So short description should be, let me use this, and max length is 160. Okay, so which, and in the description section there you can add your long form description. So I have a long tail description. And after that, if you want to visible your profile, so you can check this here. Yes, either you can check this no box. And if you have any features, so you can select any of this: military available, senior discount available, student discount available. So we are a B2B services, so that's why I don't want to select any of option. And there you can add your company name, And in the address section there you can add your address. You can select your state. So state is Minnesota. And there you can add your postal code and select your city. City is Mintonica. And there you can add your opening and the closing hours. There you can add your contact number, and you guys will there you can add your email. So this email should be the visible to the your listing. And there you can add your website, sorry, your social media. So there is also the this website haven't any option. You guys will include your website URL. So okay, so these things cannot going to harm your website. And after that, there you can upload a one logo for your company. And after that, you can click on the submit a listing button, and you will see your listing is submitted. Click on the return to my account page, and click on the listing button. And this is your listing. Click on this, and this is your listing landing page URL. And you will see this is your admit your meta title, and this is your brand name, address, phone number, and this is your category. This is your description. So yeah, and these are your social media. So overall this is the process for the business listing on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having any concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys kind of wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.